What's up, guys? It is getting to be springtime, getting to be storm season, and unfortunately we just had a little storm blow through and blew half of our tree down. I've actually got my phone propped up in the tree now. But me and little man are going to be cleaning this tree up. We're going to be getting, hopefully not having to get the tractor out. I think I can pick up everything, but we're going to be getting this tree cleaned up, getting everything on the trailer, get it down to the bottom of the hill for the burn pile. After we get everything cleaned up, we're going to go through, pick up the yard a little bit, and I'm going to get my first cut of the season in. So part of me is looking forward to that. Part of me is not, just because I know once I start getting the grass cut, it's going to have to be cut all the time. But the first cut is here. It went from 0 to 100 real quick, if you will. So anyways, I'm getting ready to clean this tree up. We got the chickens pecking around. Got my son sitting over here. The weather is perfect today. And we're going to clean up a little bit, get it down to the burn pile, and get started. So y'all come on. All right, I have been cleaning up. This right here is where the tree broke out. And I've gotten most of the big logs on there, except for this bad boy. I'm gonna try to flip it up on there. I really should probably get the tractor, but the rest of these are loaded by hand. I don't want to get the tractor out for this one log. But like I said, we got the chickens pecking around. The weather's perfect today, so we're trying to get cleaned up and start getting ready for springtime, get ready to cut the grass. All right, we still have this pile right here and that pile over there, and the trailer is fairly full. I know right here it's not, but all the logs are in the front, so we're just gonna go ahead and take a trip and then come back and get the rest of it. Hopefully we don't get stuck, because I'm going to slide right here through the edge of my garden. We got a pretty full load. We're gonna stack it up right here. Pond's looking nice and full from the storm that came through. But we're gonna unload all this and go get us another load.
That's the biggest heavy one.
Yep. Watch out so it don't get you.
Dad, this is heavy. Woo! I can do that.
Good job.
I can do that one.
Think you can grab that one?
Did it. It's too heavy though.
Take it to the burn pile.
Woo! That was good.
All right, there's one load down. Let me tell you, some of these logs, especially that one right there, are heavy. I probably should have used the tractor, and I decided not to. That was the only one I really wouldn't have needed it for.
Let's drop back up there.
So we're gonna go get another pile.
Dad, we did all the pile.
We did all the pile. Well, we got our second load. We're gonna take it down there and unload it. Then we're gonna pick up around and get ready to mow the grass. You taking you a lunch break? A little snack break?
Dad, climb back up in the truck.
We have got us a heck of a pile of wood. Alright, first cut of the season. Our grass is still pretty dead, but in some spots it's getting a little taller, so we'll run over it anyways. All right, guys, I still got a lot of cleaning up to do around here, but for me to be able to mow all my grass, I still would have to bush hog back at the back behind the pond, but for me to be able to mow all my grass in one sitting doesn't happen very much. So I was able to get all of it done today. We got the tree cleaned up. I've still got a lot more to do. Like I said, I want to clean up right here, down here. I don't know where it's at. I want to clean up all of this. That's going to be like one of my next priorities, is cleaning up right there on the top side of the pond, cleaning up around this stump that you'll see in the video, and then cleaning up these trees that are laid down over here. I don't know how meteorologists do this, but anyways, I got a lot done. Super excited about it. I'm super blessed to have the place that I have, and I just thank God that I'm able to get out here and tend to the land. I know it's something simple in the video, just cleaning up a tree and cutting some grass, but it's the first cut of the year, and I'm super excited about it. So we're gonna see how we can get a fence built, get some animals out here. Right now we've just got our chickens, but we plan on getting some goats and some sheep and stuff like that. We're gonna turn this place into a little mini farm, so I'm super excited about it. I hope y'all hit the like and subscribe button and tag along and see what else we get up to this year. Yeah, I'm excited. Thank y'all, and we'll see you on the next one.